of June, 2023. Multitasking cosmetics expert Jotim invests in a brand new factory. Based in Hangzhou, between Shanghai and Ningbo, in the heart of one of the most dynamic industrial districts in the production of personal care products. Jotim Daily Chemical has been offering contract manufacturing services since 2005 in most cosmetic categories. The company, which now employs nearly 550 staffs, is investing in a new state-of-the-art factory, which should be operational by October 2023. Chang, Marketing Sales.